So that's his question was hips. Yeah. Okay. So hip, you try to move like a hip, like this. That means you use a knee. So like you bend straight, then automatically this one going this way, right? Boom. Pick it up this one. Like a boom, 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 boom. Hip and the knees are always set. Because you can't do just only the hips you move, because knees are always together. Like this one coming up. Boom. Hip. So you got the knee, you got you straight. That one's go knee, you go straight, and then that one's going deeper in. So that one's pick it up automatically, like that going that angle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then go this one and this one. Yeah. And another one you go this way. Yeah. Then this way. And this way. So that one's like not like this. You're going like a little bit longer tilted this way. So you tilt it. Then go here. Then you straight. This one you actually extra you pick it up. This one. Boom. That's why going straight. Right. Then we try the training for that. So we call this one like a kind of like a touchy like this, then like this. Yeah. And then you pick it up your hips like this. Yeah, then go this way. Boom, 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 boom. So now we change the angle. So we put the tilt it like a body go this way, but only the hips. Like body, pretty much the whole body going this way. That's you feel like it, but only the hips going that way. So you isolated your body was this upper body was just straight, but hip going this way. But at the same time you feel like it's going this way. Yeah. So idea was this one, but you try to not move in this one. So only the hips go, and then come back, and then go this way. Come back and this way, and come back and this way. But you're still doing this one, like a touchy. Yeah, like this. And then go this, this. Like, feel like this. Yeah. But like only hips.
No knees?
This. Still knee was like this. And then go this way. This. Boom. 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 Yeah. So you have to be bent a little bit. Yeah. Then straight like this. Yeah. So you shift was the same. The head level was the same. It's kind of like a bend, not like a straight. You bend it a little bit. And then go, this one go like this, but make it a straight, kind of straight, not all the way straight, but kind of straight. Pick it up this hip, but going tilted this way, like this.
You're going towards the straight leg?
Like this. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So your hands like this, and they go this way. So you hold it at the elbows at the same spot right here in your body, and they go this way.
Like that?
Don't stop in the middle. Just go this way and then that way. That way. That way. So like a right, left, right, left. Yeah. It's kind of hard, right?
Yeah.
But right now it's this body together, but we try not to go just not this. That one stay there. Only the hips go this way, that way, this way. Yeah. Boom, boom. This. So my hips going this way, but my body was not moving. Just like that one's just going like a side. You can see it. I'm going on the side like this. Like a boom, boom, boom. Right now I'm stuck in the middle, but we go like this, boom, 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 boom. But knee always kind of feel touchy. I'm not touching, but I gotta feel like it. Too close, then go this. You get sleepy? Yeah. And then going to the opposite now. Like right now, right here, right? So we go up this to you're pushing up, like a boom, 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 boom. But you go this way, and here, and that way, and this, and that way, that way. Yeah, doing that. You kind of exit out like this.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. This way, that way. Yeah. Like a straighter back. Like this one. So you kind of shift it that way. Then pull back. Then going forward this way. Then this, and then go here.
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. This one, boom, back, then go that way, and go back. Boom, back, boom, back, boom, back. Yeah. That. So even you open the legs, you still go like this. Boom, boom. Even like the other steps, it's still like a boom, 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 da. Like open your foot, but you still go boom, back, boom,
Yeah.
boom, back, yeah, boom, back, da. You gotta exit out of that, boom, da, boom, da, boom, da, boom, boom, da, boom.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. So the idea is that you go with the doubles. So go like front, even like this. That. You front, that. Front, that. Like a 1, 2, boom. 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 Like a 1, 2, that way. Point, down. Point, down. That, boom. That, boom. That, boom. That. Yeah, here you go. Boom. Make sure you that boom. Boom, down. This. Boom. Yeah. Here you go. Boom, bang, down. Then you open it. So more comfortable. So you just go 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2. Yeah. I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. I want to soon. 1, 2, down. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, so that's like a basic idea what we move in the shift change with. So your hips going like an X move for the hips. Good?
Yeah.
All right.
That's crazy.
I hope that people like it.